Rick, now what we've done is go back Superior Court Clerk's website, and we're looking here at court calendars. I clicked on that, and then I went over family law motions calendar, and below that, now we get to go to number 1. We've done number 2. We're going to finish number 1, list of submitted documents. I'm going to click that open so we can take a look at it and fill it out. This document is very important. You have to fill this out and tell the court every document you're giving the court, and it must be submitted to the court. You file it online 3 court days by noon, 3 court days before your hearing. So my hearing is the 25th of September. My 3rd court day by noon, 1, 2, 3, again, the 22nd, noon. Remember, you don't get to count both your first counting day and your last day or the day of the hearing. So the 25th is the day of the hearing. I need 3 full days before that. So it's 22nd noon. I fill it out. There's the names of the parties, Fred and Barney. The case number goes up here, or cause number. My hearing date, I write right in there. That's 9/25. And then my name is Fred. My email is fred@happyflintstone.com. My phone number is, and then fill in the phone number. You're the petitioner. And again, if you're the respondent and you're filing this motion, Barney would check, I am the respondent. Your role doesn't change as petitioner or respondent. Nature of motion, maintenance. And then I'm going to fill in all the documents I've given. You've given a note for motion or notice of hearing date, a motion, probably your declaration, a financial declaration, maybe financial documents. Definitely, you need to anytime you're doing a motion for support. And you probably have prepared a proposed order. I hope so. The court asks you to prepare one of those. You probably have prepared a reply to what Barney said back to you in his response. So those documents you would list under document title. The date filed is the date you filed them with the court. So the notice of hearing date and your motion would have been done at least 17 days before September 25th if you're going to mail it to Barney. Now, if you live down the street from Barney and you can walk over and knock on the door and say, hi, Barney, this is for you, and leave it at his doorstep when he opens the door with a friendly howdy ho neighbor, then you would say the date you could file it 14 days exactly before the hearing. The sub number that you'll see on the left side, you don't have to worry about it. It's something that's not difficult to obtain. It's for court documents that were previously filed, such as your notice of hearing date. It will already have one when you file it electronically on the internet. The wonderful thing is it's assigned that pretty quickly by the clerk's office. Your reply document, which you'll be filing at this time too, because this is 3 court days noon before the hearing. Your reply document won't yet have a sub number, but you don't have to have the sub number. So don't worry about that if you don't know it or don't know how to get it. Don't worry. The most important thing is to list your documents and list the date you filed them with the court. You then e-file this with the court. This is what tells the court, yes, I am coming for my hearing. That's like your new type of confirmation. And it gives the court clerks the ability to pull from the court file the documents the commissioner needs to read.
So thank you very much, Rosemarie, for all of your time and your expertise. We really appreciate your explaining how family law motions and hearings work in King County Superior Court, particularly in light of COVID-19.
Oh, thank you so much. And thank you for all the library does. It's a great, great resource to the people of King County and the people who come into our courthouse. So I really appreciate it, Rick.
Well, we appreciate the plug. Thank you very much, Rosemarie.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.